welcome back to another video. We're here finally, we made it to California, so we're gonna be ripping up Glen Helen today. Track's looking sick, and hey, I got a mechanic this weekend for the Pro National, so we're just doing a little bit of a race bike shakedown, making sure it all works at least so we don't get there on Saturday and have a bunch of problems. So the goal is today, just do some good motos. It's hot here, so let's get to it. How's it looking, Bubs?
This gas can's heavy.
Yeah, I know, she got 5 gallons in her. The bike though is looking fresh. That new number, for the National I had to run a new number, so running number 256. Looks pretty good though, not gonna lie. Got the new A kit on.
The last time you ran 99, not 99, was what, the first year of Loretta's, and that was it?
2016. That was a long time ago, brother.
That was 2015.
Oh yeah, that is crazy. But yeah, Glen Helen on a Thursday at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. It's hot, huh?
Very hot.
Well, let's get to it. We showed up late today too because we had to make the drive from Utah. So we got up at 6 a.m. this morning. We had to make a quick stop in Vegas to do more work on the bike. We have a leaky gasket, so got that all fixed up and we just rolled in. It's noon, so it was funny when we were rolling up, a lot of people were leaving because the track's probably hammered, but we're just here to make sure the bike runs and then we'll be ready to give her hell on Saturday, so let's get it.
It's at 102.
It's hot. We go warm up, do a little, probably only a couple laps because I'm already sweating out here, but it should be pretty fun. I just finished up, I wouldn't even call it a moto. I think I made it like 20 minutes, just like basically just a break-in on the bike, making sure everything works out good. We're gonna do a little bit of bike adjustments next moto. Kind of feel like the front's a little violent, but once we get that all figured out, I think we got an off day tomorrow. No racing, no practicing. We gotta do all the signing up and everything for the race Saturday. So heading back out, let's get it. just finished up the day. We did just 2 motos, about 20 minutes. This track's kicking my ass, but it's fun. We got the bike a lot more dialed. So now we're gonna go do a couple starts, because you know I suck at starts. So I'm gonna go do a couple starts, and then we should be all dialed up. We're also gonna be leaving from here and go get my new custom helmet. So sick little preview. Tagger Designs got that all dialed up. Should be pretty sick. It starts. I feel like the rear was it softer. I just need more throttle.
It was soft.
One thing, let's hope my starts don't suck that bad on Saturday. Dude, but I never do starts, so it's different. But how's that last one? A little better?
Way better.
Way better. Maybe a top 30 if I can get in the moto start. All right, next stop.
We made it.
Let's get this freshly painted helmet on.
Yes, sir.
Loretta's in here. Yo, this is sick. Look how many helmets are going down right now. Dang. No way. That's epic. So dialed. Thank you, brother. That's insane.
Nothing like a fresh tag.
Dude.
That thing's sick.
It's like mind blowing, honestly. I love that red. All right, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Super stoked to be racing this weekend for the Pro National. Hopefully I can get on the gate for the motos and qualify, but either way, it's gonna be a super fun experience. Shout out to everyone who's helped us out. Kaysen for mechanicking this weekend, Aaron for all the filming, clips, all that good stuff. So it's gonna be an epic weekend. Be sure if you're at the National to stop by the Palmer van, find us there. We don't know where we're parking yet, but we're gonna be giving out merch, all that good stuff. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. And be sure to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Later.